So you're visiting the battleship.
Yeah,
When are you going?
it's Sunday on our way home. We're driving back to Ohio, so we're on a tour. It's like 2 hour, extra 2 hours. So 1 hour.
It's a good. There's a lot of history with that battleship. It was actually torpedoed during World War II, and I'm part of the flight deck veteran group. We actually restored the Kingfisher, the airplane that's on the fantail
Okay.
of that airplane of that ship. It's not the original plane to that ship, but it's one of the few surviving planes, and we actually sanded like 8 or 9 layers of paint off that, and it was real interesting as we started sanding. We had these little electric palm sanders because we couldn't use any chemicals because of the teak wood on the deck, and they had just replaced that. And so it was several months of sanding.
Okay.
But every time we sanded layers off of the plane, different things would start appearing on the plane, like insignias and the actual names of the pilot and the gunner in the rear seat, and the original numbers on the plane.
So you got to see its history as it went back.
Yeah. So we sanded all that down, and well, it was a tremendous amount of work.
Okay.
And then we painted it, and there's a couple of they're fake bombs that are sitting up.
Yeah.
I took those home and painted them. Hopefully, it was the whole time I'm thinking, gosh, I hope I don't get pulled over with these bombs in the truck. but took this home and painted them. And then we painted we tried to replicate as best we could with pictures and everything what the plane would have looked like on that particular battlefield. So when you're there, you got a little history of the airplane, and how all that happened. But that particular plane was actually crashed up in Canada, and because the pilot and got lost, they survived. But there was a group that from Grumman, I think it was Grumman, that got the plane and restored it, put it back together, and put it on the battleship. And there it sat for many years and started deteriorating. And we came along and restored it. But it looks really good.
What's your name?
Rob.
Rob?
Rob Ken.
Okay, cool. Well, thank you. Let me give us something to think about now when we look at the plane.
Yeah. But ask about the torpedo damage up front.
Okay.
And all that. Well, we actually had a personal tour of the ship in places that other people don't normally get to go. And we actually could see bent where the bulkhead was bent and everything. And we got a little history lesson about how they had to flood certain tanks.
Keep it from rolling.
I actually got to sleep on the ship a couple nights
Oh, that's cool. While you were working on it?
while I was working on it. Yeah.
That's neat.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you. Give us a thumbs up if you liked our video, and please subscribe by clicking the circle with our pictures on it. Thank you.